ran it over. Oops. My head gets freaking scented. Nice. Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Justin with Make New Motorsports. Just checking in. We're in Moab, Utah. Beautiful Moab, Utah. Got the pit bikes out. I got a pair of them now. This one I'm still working on. Doing some work to it. It's got full suspension already. And I painted the wheels black, and I did the bar risers and extended brake cable. Oh, and it's got the upper triple clamp. And then I'm gonna do foot pegs and plastics and graphics and an ASV lever. I think that's it for this one. Now this one is my full mod. That one's just a stock mod. This one's basically a full mod other than the frame. But I've got full suspension front and rear with the BBR springs, fork dampers in the front. In the rear I've got the Fast Ace rear shock. It's adjustable in the rear, right there. I've got it all the way soft. Then I've got the big gun exhaust here. It's been pretty good. I've got oversized foot pegs on it. I've got the SICK 110s over the foot peg brake lever. I've got some billet aluminum foot pegs on order. Other than that, this thing's basically staying the same. Just real quick while I'm talking about future changes, other than this, I mean, it's basically done. I've just got a BBR chain slider for the rear, then a gold chain that I'm going to throw on, and then some new JT sprockets that are black. Other than that, I'm leaving the bike basically alone, with the foot pegs, of course, that I'd already mentioned. Oh, and then I think I've got a shift lever on order as well. Other than that, for rails, I'm leaving it alone. Anyways, let's continue as we were. It's got the Dirt Bike Kids, the DBK upper triple clamp on this one with the Renthal tall bars. It's got the extended throttle cable and brake cable. I've got a bigger carburetor on there. That's the Mikuni. It's the 26 mil, I believe. Then I've got a 143 big bore kit with the version 2 fast head, and then that comes with the high performance cam as well. And then I'm also running a rev box and the BBR U-Flow intake. Then I've got the stator cover is billet aluminum. I only changed that out because the Cali one cracked. And yeah, I had my guy over at Rapid Utah make these custom graphics for me. Got the ASV lever. And then, oh, I do have a billet aluminum one of these that I just haven't swapped out yet. Oh, and then a headlight. A headlight is going on both of them. Pretty sure that's all. BBR tall seat, of course. Go ahead and start it up for you. So yeah, she runs pretty hot. Sucker rips though. I've only got 3.3 hours on the new motor. This is a 2004 KLX 110. So, yeah, that one's a 2009. Not a whole lot is different. I know that the shift shaft is smaller on this one. I think that's basically it. Anyways, alright, well, from Moab, Utah, just out riding the pits around, and then of course riding the big bikes during the day. Alright, peace out.